And I think that throughout the week, now publicity seemed to have been very good in Accra, and even in the country. And in terms of PR, I think the GFA are a very, very good job. So we share about the last Black Stars matches. Now the refrain and they say, yeah, money pa and close to the Black Stars. In fact, a lot of the times you go first cited the Nigerian example. They be a Nigerian blogger for no national team training camp. Each contains any place needing come on. I say it show the different side of the players. And you closer to the fans now. You person mobile park and it's something that we've not seen with the Black Stars for a while now. Points to note. So there was this young man and now a bodyguard or so to the Black Stars. Man, I see Nipa Black Stars no one no yeah, who this time around. So it looks as if some work had gone in to make sure say you better call the fans back. You better a very good PR. Me who for the very first time Black Stars are back. Me who say some of the stations maybe yeah you joy or cry new captain. Next interview, you know what? You who also to interview also. You who say regular TikTok, I almost okay videos Black Stars players no warm hotel rooms, how many other people didn't come on. I think there was a video of Antoine Semenyo and Papa and Jojo Wala Koto come. I think they are roommates and I know didn't come out and it was very fine. In fact, when say last week Nigeria 40 team they called one down. Almost called one that could do a hotel and Alexi will be any Ola Aina and then damn Pabakoso. And almost home Panam say double bed. Story BBC phone picked it up, so it shows the lighter side of the players. No, the other side of you, it's you're building up that PR where people could go and see them. Yeah, alarm for which is your called training. You say a lot of baby a man shed and pennies rich. It looks as you say officials, chairman, committee members, no, not almost also training ground. I think that maybe we can restrict that to a few people and the rest to a hotel and I don't think
maybe I've been former players for instance.
I mean, former players can come, but even as Samajan, there's an extent we have to limit them to. I mean, and you as someone now will tell you as a former player, say players do not want to be I think it's on Tuesday, sports minister called Horam, and on Wednesday. Regional GFA chairman, Black Stars committee chairman, Echo Honor plus sports minister, ESCO members, Wednesday, who's a parliamentary select committee, sports minister, the president himself went there. I don't know means a little bit. Maybe as a president, maybe we should have stopped it and then focus on the other things. But again, it was about cutting the love, bringing back the love, which is very important. So on Friday, you started, I think around by 4 p.m. Now, for started to Trump for near chairman. I realized that the stadium was going to be full to capacity. In fact, the extent say a fully up car. Maybe I want to look at you and say, this is bad news. Maybe I first look at you and say, almost preventing Kofo from sitting. There were some people that went in there. But actually, the people that wanted to come and see the Black Stars, a lot of them about park. And players now will tell you, it give them a lot of confidence. It push you almost for them to succeed. And of course, the moral support and to go into the match and go and get the results against Tima, your friend or Chad, also match. So attendance, I think, was spot on.
But I'm out for Philip Black Stars.
Oh yeah, I mean, you before you with me. I mean, I quite say Eba.
Me game to be honest, Kofi. A woman say na a Friday, and you rest 7. Ubia point juma. But na mianim. I never emphasize say you benya sa crowd way now their class was it. Seriously, because now I'm for both. I'm for just Black Stars can Egypt Morocco top African teams in the show. I feel they are bad to the level say AFCON group stage you free. AFCON qualifiers, I feel they young qualify crown Kobe in Kobe. Tina man for ja. And on that cry baby Obitia on Fancham Sabia make us sound and can baby Black Stars boogeyman normally. Ubon says stadium now full. Boom, sack crowd we were. Ya cross. What's the name? Who is that? Enti.
I don't find you. I say you born. On cast him.
Na me shesa anya ba me nuna.
Yeah.
I'm using my phone. Cook game this. Yeah. Ti. Start the game. Shake on them. Still no.
Yeah, very good crowd.
I'm on for Philly Black Stars.
Very, very good.
I'm for Philly Black Stars.
Very good crowd.
Wait just a players, no more yama ya. I'm go funumpa. No more imagine so about stadium. They will come back.
Oh yeah. Oh, the Black Stars, even in a bad performances, Nhyira Stadium. Nhyira Stadium. People have always gone to the stadium when it comes to Black Stars.
That is Kumasi.
Especially in Kumasi.
Yeah.
Even when they get results, because Black Stars in the yepe and unconditional. The only thing is that anything that they be you can't say Black Stars in share. And then in a difficult time like that, we all hope it's a Black Stars share. The fact someone sharing was very, very good for us.
Okay. Basic also been Payala. Good morning.
Good morning.
I want to say,
Nyamia, I'm not there. Blasters into me. Sure, say, Ghana ni biamoye.
Sure.
Ghana ni biamoye.
Same question. Attendance.
Okay.
Oh yeah, surprised.
A bromy expectation so.
Okay.
A bromy expectation so. I think the entire bromy expectation so yeah. Baby ani a free ba nenye. Na enye blasters a. Ehon komono nika. Na e blasters are disappointing. And blasters disappointing we you know. Majority of Ghanaians na omo pese ensachiraya ebeye wo team no ho no. The first person I was say a permanent free team no ho should be Otuado. And that also didn't happen. And Jakwe say results in Koyi. Ye pese mutu ana mo na mosesa. Who gauge the mood of the nation and namona was a mutu sisa no. Target spy and say coach went against the mood of the nation and said we will keep Otto and revamp the technical team around him, which was very, very unpopular decision. And he make Rich na a yem say and go for blasters and that omun costed you no send you no me who here. Now Rich unim the me say enra the see war class posted them beat me expectations, you know. You see, there are sometimes you get numbers. But Rich, it wouldn't be numbers, Abba, now I want the readiness and the aggression to support you. Ya won't go for a Marco Stadium. Yes, Stadium do Marco, but Rich, Omoko say, Ebimpa, Omoko use to perform, no. To express omu displeasure and omu disappointment. But from all indications, social videos, I'm not even meaning the social media, muni behind the scenes, you know. Come and go check tickets and it's no man. Rich, and maybe say monitor social media. They were raising issues, say tickets in Asa. As some coffee, which you best no. And young for Ketwa. And after first goal, no, then there were videos I ever saw. After the releasing Kofua, no Muja gate, let's say, oh, Omunrem, Nabehem, Rikani, and Nibra, and Kofo the costume. That is the reason why I don't pay. Minimum say what say? Frank Nelson, money idea, Omurezi issue say, Rich, Oko Stadium, even the walkways, you know. Baby, I was saying nipa ye giga eto my nante no kra no. Rich na nipa titititu nyina. Because stadium numbers now say fa no. Afa so people really wanted to watch the Blasters.
Meaning say we na wo Canada.
Well, very proud. I mean, seeing a game like this, I mean, all the supporters are looking for is a scoreline like this. I mean, everybody likes football. We know what we are missing, and you can see from the attendance, you see the support people are giving. You see how people with the Mexican wave and every other thing. At the end of the day, the players responded by scoring goals, because in every match, what we are looking for is goals. And scoring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is no a small team. I mean, if we played Chad, yes, everybody will say Chad is on the low side, but at the same time, a country who is willing to move forward And beating them, I think, is a very good today. So I think this is a step forward for us to improve our game. And the fans were amazing. I think it is something we have not seen for some time now. I mean, this is what I say always, that if you do it very well, the fans are ready to support you. So all they need to say, give them good result, give them good performance, give them good organization, give them good security. The fans will come out and watch the game. Like you saw today, I mean, I'm sure the stadium, everybody says Accra Stadium is about 45,000. I can tell you from all understanding that it's over 45,000 that attend. The one thing I will not take away from, I think the security organization, I will not put it a plus, because I saw the crowd in this stadium sitting on the walkway and everything. I think it's something we need to look at. You never know what will happen at the altar. We need to be very...
Okay. So what's in answer no kana? Or say I can't spot them say 40,000 na.
Ebroso.
And over 45,000 go for the stadium.
Baby as will be fa kwat transfer.
Yeah, 40 yo.
Because Ghana and Nhyira.
Yes, baba yara. Ne wiki. Sa crowd ni bi na enra course one kind no. So who say Facebook in Nhyira 104.5. You could see Nkofo wanted to enter and game ebe no enumere 7 no. Rich we want to do the video. People went there as early as 3 p.m., 4 p.m. I'm not for you now about some supporting Ghana. I'm not for. If you watch the video, I'm not for you now. So you could feel the vibes. About 4-5 hours from the start of the game, you know. You could see, say, now people are approaching the stadium. Or mucha take it and a German some kakra. A German some. Now, atmosphere no meti mi aka say early goal no so kan early goal no
first minute ya first
yes come in next ma enkofo hu say oh any party no you best start in them sometimes say utie coaches our pre-match press conferences are even when they are talking about say omu here supporters na eya impempi omu gitum say bono mebo park so no aso betimi aboa ma supporters na raise your spirit no omo dey share place no park no so rich I think say enura semenyo early go no nyaye no aboa ma crowd no e connect with the team any what was at stake on the day no so early and as quickly as the first minute no obia to nyom obia ni abre and go for your Mexican waves and go for to eso phone touch lights
ya so bi
you could clearly see say
omu call second half no ban also no mo boss atawale nyom
aye
and so when crowd no baba stadium na otu so bi ani age
it was a party ti enyam wa sa no pay the Ghana Football Association ni omo maka ni nyina da Ghana for ase I think say it was massive. Look enyam omo ko stadium wongo I saw videos of omo rich omanya stadium where nwura omako pe pasne abontin baby ye games no omo she game ni bi look even here e Kumasi rich you are watching the game from your room but you could sense from the environment around Ufie say everyone is watching the game and everyone is supporting the Blasters. It is a go back before we bet you uti go no abontin go. I think say Enra was one of those wonderful days. Say oh yeah, Ghana ni. Now we need your football. Now watching Blasters in this kind of state for a long time. Rich Enra, you got what you deserved. Blasters for no actually and the support was massive. Massive. Take it to the sign. So we just take it for a game. Now Ottoman and Sandia is sold out. Now Nkofo or we need take it, but still they want to go and watch the game. Rich, you can't ask for more, especially from maybe a free band there. Enra, wonderful support for Blasters.
All right, because of Enra Blasters winning, and I'm catch them say siko no. Yeah, no unlimited. Yeah, cha me kwa me temi de na beche. But dem say yeah 1,000 baby. Enti enafa ho gym na betimi adibi. *281#.